Hello students, welcome back to our Python class. So in today's class I have two practice problems given here on the board, and I want all of you to just pause this video for a while and try these practice problems. These are not really that hard, and I hope you all will be able to do these problems on your own. So let us look what our first practice problem says. Given 3 points, you need to write a program to check if all the 3 points fall on one straight line. Okay, so how do you do it? How do you check for the collinearity of these 3 points? You definitely have certain logic. I have written this logic so that you can take hint if any one of you is not from a mathematical background. You can just look at the hint. Just look out for the slopes between point 1 and 2, then slopes between point 2 and 3. If both the slopes are equal, then you will say that all the 3 points are collinear. Now I will use the board to explain this concept. What I'll do, students, I'll take 3 points. I'll take 3 points, x1, y1, x2, y2, and then x3, y3. Okay, so I have these 3 points. Alright, so now what I'll do next is I'll look out for the slopes between this and this. If the slopes are equal, then the points are collinear. Okay, let's see now how it goes. That's y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now this equals y3 minus y2 by x3 minus x2. So this is the slope for point 1 and 2, and this will look out for the slope between these 2 points. Now another thing which needs to be taken care of are the denominators. The denominators cannot be 0. So what do it? In order to prevent it, you take the cross multiplication, and what finally this becomes is y2 minus y1 into x3 minus x2. Now this equals y3 minus y2 into x2 minus x1, right? This is how the final equation it becomes like. So this thing needs to be equal to this. Why have we done this? It was simply because if I look at this, the denominator could be 0, and I do not want my denominator to become 0, because then I'll have division by 0 error, which we have seen in previous classes also. So in order to prevent that error, I took this denominator on the top. Now this is the logic behind our practice problem 1. And yes, let's try to build the same logic using our Python code also. What I'll do, I'll create this another file which is collinear.py. Okay, I've built a folder. I'll delete it. Okay, now let us start with our points. x1 y1 is equal to 1 comma 2, x2 y2 is equal to 2 comma 3, x3 y3 equals 3 comma 4, right? So these are the points. You can also take these points from the user. I have taken these on my own. Also, now let's build the logic. If, again, a simple if statements needs to be taken care of. I am directly looking out for this formula, directly copy paste this formula from here to here. the same formula from the board. X2 minus x1. Okay, if this is fine, you print the points are collinear. Okay, right, so I'm missing 2 over here. Right, so if this condition holds true, the points are collinear, else print the points are not collinear. As simple as that. Okay, so yes, let's see if it's fine. Python collinear dot py. Okay, these points are collinear, students. If you try to draw these points on the graph, you will see that these points lie on the straight line, on the same straight line. Okay, and also let's see if I try to change one point. If I put this as 5 and I save it, are these points collinear? No, these points are not collinear, because this formula does not hold true for these points. All right, I hope this is clear to you now, right? So yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.